Today's morning assembly was conducted in a disciplined and meaningful manner. The Bible reading was done by Hanan Dennis, followed by the prayer led by Eldo Cherian Reggie. Today's word was presented by Ayan P.S. and the thought for the day was shared by Muhammad Amir Shah. Important information for the day was given by Gaurinanda A.N. and the school pledge was then led by Dan Abraham Shiju. The assembly also included a birthday celebration for the students. Certificates for the winners of the Lions Club Peace Poster Competition, Badminton Tournament and Kalaripaitu were distributed recognizing their achievements. The program concluded with an energetic Zumba dance, bringing a lively and joyful end to the morning assembly. That's all for now. Stay tuned. Thank you.